in vlog number 2. Hope you guys enjoyed the first one. Thought it was pretty fun. Right now we're gonna go, well, one of my buddies, Thomas, just called me and he can't find the trailhead for this one trail. It's called Dragon's Tail. It's a new trail in town. They just built it this summer and it's like the first machine-built trail in Rossland, so it's pretty sweet to have that here. But he can't find the trailhead, so we gotta go help him. We're gonna bring you guys along, check out this new trail, and then we'll see what else happens today. Vlog's back, baby.
Oh my god. The vlog grind is for real, eh?
This is Thomas.
Hey guys.
He's a little loose cannon.
Yeah, just a little bit.
So you can't find the trailhead?
No, I'm just a little bit lost. I need a Rossland boy.
You can toss your bike in the back of my truck if you want.
Water, donkey falls.
Oh yeah.
Which line did you guys take when you're at that far river left line?
I don't remember. Alright, Tom. Remember, next time you come and ride this, the trailhead is at the bottom of the ski hill, not out in the forest.
Okay, I'm learning.
Solid.
I've only like lived here.
Dude, it's pretty good. It's pretty trashed right now, but
oh yeah, everyone's just been
yeah. We've had so many tourists come to town just to ride the trail.
Yeah.
It's not ideal, but what can you do? When they first opened the trail, it was crazy busy. There was like 200 Strava times in the first day.
What?
Yeah.
Holy.
It was not good.
Yeah.
They need to do some maintenance though. And we need rain. Alright, just pulling up to the top of Dragon's Tail here. How was that climb?
It's like a hot sauna if it was straight up.
What?
Yeah. Doesn't make any sense, but it was fucking hot time.
Trailhead. I'm gonna take a quick break. It's hot today.
She be hot.
It's like first jump, you gotta like pedal in from back there. It's kind of trail speed, but then there's like every so often there's a jump that's not trail speed. You gotta slow down.
Oh, okay.
And then all the lips look like you can send it to absolute moon, but you can't.
But don't send it to the absolute moon.
And if there's one hip that looks like you can just like actually hip it super big, but if you do, you'll end in the ditch. Dude, I wish I could shuttle. What the heck? Dude, should I cut my hair or should I keep it long?
Well, think about it for winter. Do you want,
I know, right?
Do you want?
Oh, I
You
can't
want
do
that
this.
long, flowy, warm mane?
I think I'm gonna keep it long, but yeah. Dude, you guys see how it snowed in like Alberta and Montana or something?
Oh yeah, dude. When I was up at the Fraser, it snowed.
What?
Yeah.
You guys are just boating in the snow. Ready? Oh god. Ugh.
I don't really lack nothing. Drip black fish, hit the splash button. Landlocked, too bad for him. And they liable to talk, but it's mad rubbish. It don't mean nothing. From the shore, trying to make it to the top floor. But the penthouse, pin game, something mad yucks, bros. No sleeping, been a task rabbit, been a lab addict. The chief of the tribe, I put on for my village. Used to be local, I'm taking it global. Sharp with the focus, she catching emotion. Treat that holistic, I give it a physics. Fuck your opinion, just did a show, only spit raw material. I'm independent, I'm in the building. Look what we built it feel like no ceiling, we taking it worldwide. Hold it down when you talk to me. Say it is what it's supposed to be. Say it loud, but I mean it too, yeah. Talk that good when you talk to me. Say it nice and I give it to you. You know my word is bond, yeah. What we on now is wild shit trip. Life is lit, take a breath. Shit. Now it's wild shit a trip. Life is litty, the gift. Chime in. I don't really lack nothing. Drip black fish, hit the splash button. Landlocked, too bad for him. They liable to talk, but it's mad rubbish. It don't mean nothing. From the shore, trying penthouse, pin games, something mad yucks, bros. No sleeping, been a task grabber, been a lab at it. The chief of the tribe I put on for my village.
Holy.
That was f***ing sick.
Dude.
Dude, that feels sick.
It's so fun, hey?
Dude, like it flows though.
Yeah,
like,
it's good.
you can f***ing launch.
It's sick.
Dude, that double dude. Holy
Did you line it up?
yeah, dude. I may have cased it a little bit, but
Dude, I blew the casing on my tire like a couple weeks ago. So I had to get a stupid specialized tire.
oh,
So I don't have my Minion anymore.
fuck.
But
I run 20 psi.
I'm a Minion. I don't care about your
Don't know a
opinion.
limit, chasing a dream. I don't know what sleepers. I got a queen, she lit me to eat it. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me to snippet. We well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage of doing the service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low where no love goes. Women buddy like it's been that. When me looking at the bill stack. Off the buddy, I was stressed out. Let the smoke scream from my chest out. Laced up, I really hate love from a stranger. Shit is fake stuff, only need it from you. Yeah. Crash land in the palm of my hand. Bad little flex wanna play by the coast. Carry the torch, I'm way up the slitty wherever we float. I came from the cold, used to rest on the floor and stitch up my wounds. Was born a soldier, flipping the struggle, I'm taking it worldwide. Hold it down when you talk to me. Say it is what it's supposed to be. Say it loud, but I mean it too, yeah. Talk that good when you talk to me. Say it nice and I give it to you. Know my word is bond, yeah. What we on now is wild shit trip. Life is lit, take a breath. Shit. Now it's just wild shit a trip. Life is litty, the gift. Chime in. I don't really lack nothing. Drip black fish, hit the splash button. Landlocked, too bad for him. And they liable to talk, but it's mad rubbish. It don't mean nothing. From the soil, trying to make it to the top floor of the penthouse, pin games, something mad yucks, bros. No sleeping, been a task grabber, been a lab at it. The chief of the tribe I put on for my village. Used to be local, I'm taking it global. Sharp with the focus, she catching emotion. Treat that holistic, I give it a physics. Fuck your opinion, just did a show, only spit raw material. I'm independent, I'm in the building. Look what we built it, it feel like no ceiling, we taking it worldwide. Hold it down when you talk to me. Say it is what it's supposed to be. Say it loud, but I mean it too, yeah.
Oh, baby.
Talk that good when you talk to me. Say it nice and I give it to you. Know my word is bond.
Yeah, buddy. Alright, we're back. It's been a couple hours now, but we are in the Slocan, Crescent Valley Beach. We're about to go kayaking. Got Matthias here. Well, I'm just going to set shuttle. I gotta drop the truck at the bottom and then ride the bike back up. I haven't been boating much this year. I went on one lap on the Slocan, but I've been trying to take it easy, let my collarbone heal up before winter so that I can, you know, send it in the winter, see how it goes. Bring you guys along. Get a little something other than biking in these vlogs. Seems to be all we do in the summer is just bike, but it should be good. I got my play boat. The last lap I did was in my big creek boat and it was a little safer, but we'll see. If my shoulder comes out or my collarbone comes out, you guys will see that. So that'll be good content, but let's hope that doesn't happen. Oh yeah. Just dropping the truck at the bottom so that we can drive back up after. Now I got a bike all the way back to the put-in. All right, we got a bit of an e-bike thing going here. Little old e-bike, looks pretty fun. Help out with the ride a little bit. Let's put this seat up. I don't know how this thing works, so we're about to figure out how this bad boy goes. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna start riding back up. Let's see how it goes. I will see you guys at the top when we're getting in the river with our kayaks, but got a bit of a pedal to go now. Alright, we're getting there. Just went up that hill. Pretty solid hill. Oh boy. But got some more to go. Pretty warm out. I'm I'm glad I opted for the no shirt.
Information och safety. Jag kan nog leda baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig, aldrig, aldrig. Round and round we go. Life is like a merry-go. Sometimes I lose control.
About to do some kayaking. Should be pretty good.
Life is like a merry-go. Sometimes
Go get it. Okay.
Whoa, round and round we go. Life is like a merry-go, and sometimes I can't let go of my feelings, let go of my pride. Even though I tried it like 1,000 times, I would be lying if I said you wasn't by my side. But when I needed you the most, I saw you running high. Oh, I remember. I can't believe that I wasted all my energy on somebody who would turn into my enemy. But look, life is like a merry-go, cause round and round we go. Shame on me for trying to fix something that was broke. Hold up, one day we hit, one day we gone. One day we living and then the next day we don't. I get so stuck in my ways, I just don't know where to go. I guess my life is a fight and I got my back on the rope. Oh yeah, you name it, I tried it. I went from pimping to pine. Could keep my mama from crying. My youth was absent of guidance and now it's, whoa. Round and round we go. Grow up with some kinfolk that we don't hit on no more. Lately I've been grinding, it feel like I'm on a roll. Still can't be myself if I keep putting on the show. Cause one day we hit, one day we ain't, one day we moving and then the next day we can't. Feel like I'm losing my grip, how'd I get stuck in this maze? Feel like I'm tripping, I just been missing for days. If life is no more than games, oh yeah, then I need to know. If I can't settle this problem, I think my head might explode. I may have children who teach their children the lessons I show. I get so lost in the system, can't even find me no more. So many bodies, they catching bodies, there's bodies galore. If they keep glorifying demons, then the truth on the low. If they keep running from their problems, it get worse than before. But all this Bible we dumping, it got their head looking swole. Can they keep their diamonds at least?
Alright, well, I just got home. It was a pretty good day. It was a good lap on the Slocan. Shoulder feels good, so it was pretty fun. Well, that's a wrap on vlog number 2.